Oh, hello there. This is your first time joining us. Day 16 of a 30-day Godot challenge I've given myself. So, this is normally the part of the video where I say, let's go hop into the project, except I finished the project. So instead, today's going to be, let's go hop into the game design document to see what the next project is. Alright, here's the game design document. It's a platformer game. I chose it specifically because it's different from my space shooter game. I have a title for this one called Lost Hearts. So the basic story is you play as a skeleton who searches through the levels to find a piece of his lost heart. Art style is going to be black and white. The only thing that'll be of color will be his heart, and it'll be red and it'll be glowing. I have a bunch of other things here. Project scope. I just want to do the tutorial level where the player learns the controls, a few enemies, and at the end, obviously, they collect the heart. Player features. I want the player to move and jump. Crouching, I'm not so sure about that. Auto save points, I don't know if I'm doing that. Hazards, I don't know if I'm doing that. How the player interacts with enemies is he's going to pop off his skull and he's going to throw it. I thought that was really cool, so I'm going to try to do that. New challenges for this project. Animation, some physics with the throwing of the skull, and level design. Things I haven't tackled in this challenge, in this 30-day challenge yet. Just a list of assets I think I'll need. I'm doing multiple game scenes. In my last space shooter project, it was just one game scene. So I'm sure loading new scenes isn't something difficult, but it's something I wanted to try in this project. Audio. Anybody who's a sound designer or has done any sound design, my hat off to you. I tried to do it for the space shooter one, and yes, I have sounds in there, but holy crud. Having zero experience and just trying to get it done was like, it's like I had the sound in my head that I wanted, but I could not get it to like, so I just got something that was like, that's close to what I want, or it could work. So my hat's off to sound designers. And then animations, which I haven't done before. So these are a lot of animations. So that's why I'm choosing the art style of black and white, so I can make it simple, so I can make the animations hopefully quicker, so I just have to worry about silhouettes. But that might be a deceiving thing. That just doing silhouettes might be deceiving as far as ease goes. So that's the next project. Hopefully you're as excited as I am about it, because when I came up with the concept, everything I was coming up with I wasn't really excited about. But I'm excited about Lost Hearts and making a skeleton whose whole point in each level is to find his lost heart. So hopefully you're excited. Like I said. Alright. So that's day 16 done. I know this video wasn't the most exciting, but it's necessary for me to make that game design document so I know where I'm going from here. This project's a little more ambitious than the last project because I'm hoping to build upon the knowledge that I gained from the first space shooter project. If you don't know what the space shooter project is, and this is the first time you're watching one of these videos, you could always watch some of the older videos to see what that project was and what I learned and the steps that I took to get there. It's not like in-depth what the code was, but it's just an overview of what I learned going through it. So if that interests you, go watch that. If not, that's okay too. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'd have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.